Hi, I'm Josie, and I'm going to walk you through the job tracker in Résuméd CV Creator. Job tracker is a tool to keep your job ads and applications organized in one place. Go to the job tracker page by clicking on it in the sidebar. As you can see, I already have a few job ads here. You can create a new list to sort your job ads per year, position, type of employment, or whatever you like. You can now drag these and order them. Now you can add job ads by either dragging the job link to this view or click here. I have a job link, so I'm going to paste it in. See how all the details are filled? If something is missing, you can go ahead and edit right away. I'm happy, so I will add this job. If you want to move the job to another list, simply drag it there. Now I can create a new resume and cover letter to this job ad. When you have applied, you can click here and it will fill the date for you. If you get an interview, come back to this page and click Got Interview. Now it moved to another section to make it easier to keep track of your interviews. However, the date looks wrong. That's because it sets today's date and time. Just go ahead and click it to edit the interview date and time here. Click outside or the check mark to save. Let's imagine I got this job. I can simply click Hired and it is moved to yet another section called Hires. If you change your mind, you can always drag the job ad back to any section. If the section is missing, just right-click and click the right section or status here. I hope you now see the usefulness of Job Tracker. Start using it today to keep organized and never get confused when you get a response from your potential employer. See you again. Bye!